Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video where in today's one we're taking a look at the GitHub website and I'll explain to you guys how can you create a new gist on your website. So let's jump right into it. So first of all, open up GitHub. Make sure that you're logged in with your preferred profile. In the top right corner from the dashboard, you'll click on the plus sign and click on create a new gist. Now it will now redirect you to a new page where you'll be able to type in your guest description as well as the code right here. So once you fill in all of this information about your guest, you can add a file as well. To add it, click on add file and will, as you can see, add a new one. And then click on create secret guest. And once you do so, you'll see it in the list of all of your guests right here in all guests that you've created. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, leave it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.